Life often presents us with difficult challenges. At those times, it's natural to feel afraid or overwhelmed. Instead of succumbing to fear, embrace these moments as opportunities for growth. First, break down the hard tasks into smaller, more manageable portions. Just like cutting a tough piece of food into tiny, chewable pieces, break your challenges into smaller steps. Approach each small step mindfully and with intention. Focus on completing these tiny tasks one at a time. This method not only makes the challenge less intimidating but also helps you enjoy the process and find satisfaction in each small victory. Picture your progress as you tackle each small step. Visualize yourself achieving your goal and celebrate these small wins. This visualization can provide motivation and keep you on track. Keep working consistently without giving in to laziness. Consistency in your efforts will gradually lead to the accomplishment of your goals. Remember, every small effort counts. There will be times when you might feel like giving up on your goals. Resist this urge. People or situations may try to demotivate you, but stay focused on your path. Trust that good things come to those who persevere. Keep faith in yourself and your journey. Believe that your efforts are supported by a greater force, and hold on to this hope as your ultimate source of strength. By adopting this mindset, you can transform hard challenges into opportunities for growth and success. Embrace each step of the journey, stay consistent, and never lose faith in your ability to overcome obstacles. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward.